In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of marketing strategies. Among the various platforms available, Twitter stands out as a powerful tool to connect with your audience and drive engagement. However, simply having a presence on Twitter is not enough. You need to track key metrics to ensure your marketing efforts are yielding the desired results. In this article, we will explore 5 must-track metrics that can help you boost your engagement on Twitter by up to 200%. Follower growth rate. The first metric you should pay close attention to is your follower growth rate. This metric indicates how quickly, or slowly, your follower count is increasing over time. By tracking this metric, you can gauge the effectiveness of your content strategy and identify any areas for improvement. Why it matters. A high follower growth rate signifies that people are interested in what you have to say and are actively choosing to follow your account. It demonstrates that your content resonates with users and helps expand your reach. How to track it. Calculate the percentage increase or decrease in followers over a specific period, e.g., monthly or quarterly. Use analytics tools like Twitter Analytics or third-party platforms such as Hootsuite or Sprout Social for accurate measurements. Engagement rate. While having a large number of followers is important, what truly matters is how engaged they are with your content. Tracking engagement rate allows you to understand if users find value in what you share and if they take action by liking, retweeting, replying, or clicking on links within tweets. Why it matters. High engagement rates indicate that users find value in what you share and are actively interacting with your brand. This boosts visibility and increases the likelihood of reaching new audiences through shares and retweets. How to track it. Divide total engagements, likes plus retweets plus replies, by the number of impressions, the number of times your tweet was seen. Multiply the result by 100 to get a percentage. Click-through rate, center. One of the primary objectives of Twitter marketing is driving traffic to your website or landing pages. Tracking center allows you to measure how successful your tweets are in generating clicks and directing users to take further action on your site. Why it matters. A high center indicates that your tweets are compelling enough for users to click through and explore more about your brand, products, or services. It helps drive targeted traffic and increases the chances of conversions. How to track it. Use UTM parameters or link shortening tools like Bitly or Hootsuite's ow.ly to track clicks on specific links shared in tweets. Compare the number of clicks with the total impressions for each tweet. Hashtag performance. Hashtags play a crucial role in increasing visibility and discoverability on Twitter. Tracking hashtag performance allows you to assess which hashtags resonate most with your audience, helping you optimize future campaigns for better reach and engagement. Why it matters. Effective use of hashtags can significantly expand the reach of your tweets beyond just your followers, exposing them to a wider audience interested in similar topics. This leads to increased engagement opportunities and potential new followers. How to track it. Analyze metrics such as impressions, retweets, likes, replies specifically related to each hashtag used in your tweets. Identify which hashtags generate higher levels of engagement and consider incorporating them into future content strategies. Conversion rate. Ultimately, social media marketing should contribute towards achieving tangible business goals such as generating leads or sales. Tracking conversion rate enables you to measure how effective Twitter is at driving desired actions from users who interacted with your content. Why it matters. By tracking conversion rates from Twitter referrals, you can determine if this platform is delivering valuable results for your business objectives. It helps allocate resources effectively and optimize your marketing strategy accordingly. How to track it. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics to set up conversion tracking for specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or purchases. Track the number of conversions generated from Twitter referrals and calculate the conversion rate by dividing it by the total number of clicks from Twitter. In conclusion, tracking these 5 metrics is crucial for achieving success in your Twitter marketing efforts. By monitoring follower growth rate, engagement rate, click-through rate, hashtag performance, and conversion rate, you can gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your strategies and make data-driven decisions to boost engagement by up to 200%. Remember that consistent monitoring and optimization are key to long-term success on this dynamic platform. So start tracking these metrics today and unlock the full potential of Twitter for your brand.